Hi everyone, it's me, Ian, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we are going to do the activity called reverse in parentheses from CodeSignal. And just like my other tutorials, we will be using PHP language. For this task, we are asked to reverse every string inside every parenthesis in the given string. Now, we have an example here, and the return string should be like this, and this is how we are going to solve it. As you can see, if we get a nested parenthesis, the last pair of parentheses should be the one to be reversed first. Alright, now that we know what we're dealing with, let's go and do some coding. First, you will have to get how many pairs of parentheses there is in the given string. To do that, you may use PHP function substring count. This will search for opening parentheses and will return the count. And of course, we want that in a variable. Next step would be looping through all the pairs. I use while loop, and you can use other loops you want. So the condition here will be as long as there is a pair. Do this block of code. In here, we want to get the opening parenthesis, but which of those? So remember that we can get a nested parenthesis, and that's why we should get the last opening parenthesis. Using str pause should do it. And for our closing parenthesis, we can get the first instance of it from the given string starting from the value of our variable open. From that, we can get the string and close on those parentheses using substring. In substring method, the third argument is the length of the word that we are going to take from the parent string, starting from the given index, which is the value of our open variable. We can create a variable then to get that. Then reverse that given string, and for example, we have far. After reverse, it will be raf, and you can also enclose it with str replace, which will remove the pair of parentheses from the reversed string. After that, replace the string with its reversed form using substring replace, and assign it to the given string. Decrease the pairs count, and finally return the requested output. Hit run test, and we hit an error, but don't worry about it. The fix for this is actually simple. Just add one on the length variable and hit run test again. If you see no more errors, click submit, and congratulations. Bye guys!